Winking Eye, the favorite. Gates open, they're up and racing just like it. The rose for your lead, speed to riches. Winking Eye, in between runners comes My Lucky One, amazing pace alongside. A toy for us is by the rail, then followed by entry number 1, Terry Toon, and Winning Habit is the early trailer. About to pass the last 900, we have Just Like It in command by 3/4 of a length, then followed by My Lucky One. A toy for us is by the rail, and running on the outside, amazing pace. Closing in now is Winking Eye, followed by Winning Habit, Terry Toon, and Speed to Riches now bringing up the rear. Heading towards the last 450, Just Like It, now the leader, followed closely by My Lucky One. Winking Eye moving up on the outside. In between runners is Amazing Pace. As the action swing for home, Just Like It, still leading the field, and moving up by the rail is My Lucky One. Running on the outside, Amazing Pace, Winning Habit, also closing in, coming from behind. Just Like It, Winning Habit, moving up in between runners, Amazing Pace, and leading the finish line, it's Amazing Pace. Winning Habit, Just Like It, My Lucky One, and Terry Toon, I think, for your Pentapecta.
Mukhang force